In this ProjectNext AI review, I'll be sharing 7 crucial things you need to know about this newly released AI software. And trust me, there are some game-changing features you're going to want to hear about. Whether you're a digital marketer, business owner, or just someone curious about AI, this software is definitely worth your attention. First up, ProjectNext AI is not just another tool. It's designed to revolutionize how you approach automation and marketing. It integrates seamlessly into your workflow, helping you streamline tasks that used to take hours, all with AI-powered precision. Imagine handling everything from content creation to data analysis with just a few clicks. Sounds too good to be true? Stick with me. I'm going to break it all down. Now, let's talk about ease of use. One of the biggest advantages of ProjectNext AI is its user-friendly interface. Unlike many AI tools that have a steep learning curve, ProjectNext is incredibly intuitive. You can start using it within minutes, even if you're not tech-savvy. The software is laid out clearly, with easy access to everything you need, which makes it perfect for beginners and seasoned professionals alike. What really sets ProjectNext AI apart is its advanced automation capabilities. It doesn't just automate simple tasks, it takes over entire processes from start to finish. Think lead generation, nurturing, and even sales funnel management, all done without you lifting a finger. This is a huge time saver and will help businesses scale without increasing their workload. Another standout feature of ProjectNext AI is its powerful analytics engine. Whether you're tracking performance metrics for marketing campaigns or customer behavior, the software provides in-depth insights that allow you to make data-driven decisions with ease. This is critical for businesses trying to optimize their strategies and maximize ROI. The real-time data allows you to adjust your efforts as needed, giving you an edge over competitors who are flying blind. One of the things I found most impressive about ProjectNext AI is its customization options. Unlike other AI platforms that come with rigid one-size-fits-all solutions, ProjectNext lets you tweak settings to suit your unique needs. Whether it's adjusting how the AI writes content or setting up automated responses, you can fine-tune the system to work exactly how you want it to. I also want to highlight the community and customer support that comes with ProjectNext AI. As a new user, you'll have access to a helpful support team ready to assist you whenever you need help. The AI community is growing fast, with tons of resources, tutorials, and forums where you can connect with other users and learn new tips and tricks to get the most out of your subscription. Now, the big question, cost. The price is competitive, especially considering the value it brings. But the best part? You can try ProjectNext AI for free right now, using the link in the description below. It's a no-commitment trial, so you can explore all the features and see for yourself if it fits your needs before making any financial commitment. To wrap this up, I highly recommend checking out ProjectNext AI if you're looking to scale your business or automate your workflows. It's packed with powerful features, yet simple enough for anyone to use. But before you go, remember, I've also tested thousands of other AI tools, and I've got my top recommended options listed in the description. Make sure to give them a try too and see which one works best for you. Don't forget to check out the free trial link and dive into ProjectNext AI today.